Hey guys, so this is part 3 of the video series I'm doing on the tools that I use for developing my game, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the things I use to hold the data for my game in the background, outside of the actual engine itself. So what I mainly use for this purpose is a mix of Google Sheets and WPS Office. I use WPS Office for the stuff I need locally, so like all of the files that are actually within the game that I'll need to edit really quickly and then add back into the game. But I use Google Sheets for stuff like, say, the map info and things like that, because I need to keep a record of all of these things, otherwise it gets really confusing. And it also tells me, like, say for this battle map info, it tells me where I need to place things. I also have another thing of another log of cutscenes and what happens in said cutscene and where it is and the like. Or this little cutscene helper where I can select the character, select the position they're in, and select the kind of animation they should be doing, and then I know what code to put in my cutscene system when I'm actually doing it, so it's very handy. But for the WPS Office stuff, the local stuff, I have, as I said, more local access stuff where I'd need to access this pretty quickly and change it quickly for testing and the like. So inventory grids of stuff, classes and stats. And I also have a big thing for testing damage values. I could have done this not so locally, but it was actually easier for me to be able to copy the stats from here and put them straight here. So I preferred to have this as a local file as well. This isn't actually something that I'm accessing within the game. It's more something I'm using to test out values and try and balance numbers and the like. So yeah, I can basically see what kind of numbers will come out for each different enemy doing different kinds of attacks. But I have a bunch of different CSV files, like these two, in the game that let me access all the information, and I don't have to actually edit everything from within the game, which would be really annoying and confusing, bopping around inside of that. I also keep all the dialogue in a CSV file as well, because it's so much easier to edit something like that, especially someday if I'm concerned about localization, which is obviously a way off concern for now, not something that's on my mind at all, but definitely it's something that would be helpful if someday that was a concern of mine. So I hope this was useful to you in some kind of way. The next video I'm going to be showing how I build certain aspects of everything together in GameMaker Studio and what everything looks like in the engine, whether it comes down to cutscenes or different areas of the game. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again soon.